I've returned from holiday to find a whole load of nice envelopes from China, so I thought I'd do a mail bag. Let's have a look what's in here. Okay, so this is a micro USB connector with a header. So I've got some of these. This was for the project where I wanted to build a USB cable tester. So we'll do that in a video fairly soon. Okay, there's a couple of kits here. This is a 74HC393, which is a ripple counter. I forget what this kit is. I think it might be a white noise generator. You'll have to look at that in more detail another time. And this one, I don't know, it's something to do with audio because it's got a 3.5mm jack and got a couple of transistors in there. I wonder if this might be a wah-wah effect. Oh no, not wah-wah. A fuzz effect for electric guitar. So I'll look at that in another video. Alright, so these are some of these regulators that you put on breadboards. So they're designed to fit with these breadboards. You plug them into the power rails like so, and then so you can put 9 volts or 12 volts or something in here, and then you've got 3 volts and 5 volts regulated to drive your breadboard. So those are quite nice. Don't remember what those cost. I think they were less than £1 each though. Now this is an audio effect. Yeah, so this is a Fuzzbox kit, Fuzzbox effect for electric guitar, and so I was going to build this and see how well it works. There's a couple of NPN transistors there, circuit board, fairly shonky looking capacitor. I haven't seen one like that in a long time. So what I remember about this kit, they sell this on eBay, and you can either buy the electronics version like this, or you can buy one complete with an enclosure and a foot button. So obviously I went for the simple circuitry. I wanted to just build the kit and see how well that works, so we'll do that in the video. And a small envelope here. That's in here. Oh, some surface mount components. Right, so these are surface mount LEDs. I can't remember why I bought those, but there we are. I've got some of those. Okay, and once again, this is for the my project to build a USB cable tester. So here we've got the mini USB, and again it's on a little circuit board, and you can put headers on there, so it makes it easier to connect up these small connectors, which can be quite fiddly. And finally, this one. So this is a robot kit. So this was sent to me by icstation.com. They want me to make a video and review this. So basically you've got so there's a circuit board to build it all onto there, some instructions, a couple of motors to drive the driving wheels. But I mean, there are many kits like this, but the one that jumped out at me on this particular one was the fact that it has also a little Bluetooth board. So I don't exactly know what you can do with that, but it seems to open the possibility that you could remotely control the robot using Bluetooth. So at some point we'll get to that. I've got another robot kit which is much simpler than this, so I might build them side by side and do a comparison. There we go, that's all the items in the post bag today. So thanks very much for watching. Do come back and see me, and I'll build some of these kits.